My name is Jacob Anderson. I'm a part of the 490 crew here in District 4 on maintenance. We are here at the Hansen Bridge doing a little bridge cleaning and traffic control today.
My name is Travis Dodd. I am the maintenance foreman over the Garden City and Emmett shop, and currently we're on Highway 52 at milepost 52. We show up in the morning, we'll get everybody lined out kind of what's going on. If anybody's got any questions, we ask questions, we take care of all the concerns. Everybody figures out what they're doing for the day and we go to work.
Then we take off after the meeting, go through our work zones or prepare the work zone for what we need to do for that day, or if we need to haul material for a project later on that week or something, preheat the machine for the next day, or make sure everything's going to run 100% so we don't have any hiccups and can get the traffic back in their normal driving. Just about every day we have a close call in the work zone due to just distracted driving on their phones or eating, or if we're on a wreck or something, everybody wants to know what happened and stuff like that, and they tend to wander with their eyes, and that could put a lot of us in danger.
We take the traffic and put it out of its normal path, so they're driving in places they're not used to driving in, and we try to delineate that, but sometimes they get a little hectic and get cattywampus on us, so we have to be careful. Probably Eagle Road. We close a lane at night, do what we need to do. We've had cars make U-turns at the U-turn lights and turn and come right back up a closed lane and come right back at us. And it gets a little sketchy.
I go from 74 to Rogerson on 93, and it's really high traffic, but we got to do the potholes out there, try to keep the road together. And you got to jump out of the pickup, fill the hole the proper way, and try to get out of there without causing a big disturbance and not getting a wreck or hurt my crewmate or myself. Safe actions, safe lives, stay safe, Idaho.